Hello and welcome to this video tutorial where I show you how to connect your Facebook and Instagram accounts so when you post something on Instagram, it'll automatically post to Facebook as well. So what you want to do is open up the Instagram app. As you see, I'm here on my profile, and then you want to tap on the three lines in the upper right-hand corner of the screen, and you want to navigate to Settings. This will take you to Settings and Activity, and you want to tap on the option there that says Your Account Accounts Center. So go ahead and go to Account Center there, and then once you're here, you're going to see a bunch of different options. And the one we want to choose is not profiles. That's how you switch between profiles on Instagram or Facebook. We want to go to Connected Experiences and go to Sharing Across Profiles. Tap into Sharing Across Profiles. And then once you're here, you can see that I have my Instagram accounts as well as my Facebook account there. And so you'll want to tap on the option that says Add Accounts. And then it'll ask you, do you want to add a Facebook or an Instagram account? And then it'll ask you to log in. I would recommend that if you're doing this on desktop or mobile, that you log in beforehand on the browser of choice, whether it be Safari or Google Chrome, to your Facebook account or whatever you're trying to add. That way it'll automatically log you in. So when you go to add accounts here, it'll open up a new browser tab and you can see I can add a new Instagram account or Facebook account by choosing which one I want to add. And that's it. Now, once you've added a Facebook account and you've connected the two, you will see here that once we go to add a new post here and we go through the process of adding a new post and we hit next, right here under settings, you're going to see a bunch of different things. But if we scroll down here, you should see an option that says share to Facebook. Now, if this is disabled and grayed out, you'll see an option here that says click on this link to enable and accept the terms of service. So you may have to tap on that. But if we go and select the slider here and enable that, turn that over to the right, whenever I share that post to Instagram, it will do the same over on Facebook, text and image alike. Now, if you do want to do, say, your stories or whatever it may be, you can go back if we X out of this here and discard this. If we go ahead and go back to settings here and then go to Account Center and then go to Sharing Across Profiles, you will be able to select your Facebook account there, and you can see that your Facebook story, you can enable that when you add stories or reels or whatever you want to call them now. I don't know what you want to call them to Instagram. It will mimic that over on Facebook as well. But for right now, I just have Facebook post to be kind of mimicking what I do on Instagram. If you have any questions or have any problems, put those in the comment section below. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.